Hey there, innovators and creators. Welcome back to AI Chatose. We've got some hot off-the-press news from the AI world that's buzzing with drama and big moves. Grab your coffee, because today we're unraveling the story of OpenAI's internal storm and how Microsoft is playing a key role in this AI saga. Let's set the stage. OpenAI, a titan in AI development, recently faced a whirlwind. The plot twist? Their own staff standing up, demanding a complete board revamp. And who's caught in the middle? None other than Sam Altman, the former CEO. Before we dive into the drama, let's get to know our characters. OpenAI is known for its groundbreaking A-tech, and Sam Altman, a visionary in the AI field. Their journey together has been nothing short of a tech fairy tale until now. But every fairy tale has its turning point. For OpenAI, it was a bold letter from the staff signed by over 700 of them. Their demand: change at the top, or they walk. Talk about workplace drama. And here's where our plot thickens. Microsoft, a major player and investor, steps in like a knight in shining armor. Their offer? To welcome all OpenAI employees, including Altman, to lead a new A unit. A strategic chess move in the tech game. This isn't just a corporate shuffle. It's a chess game with AI as the queen. The tech world is watching, popcorn in hand. Salesforce even jumped in, offering a new home to OpenAI's researchers. This is more than just a story about a company. It's a glimpse into the high-stakes world of AI development. Amidst this chaos, one thing's clear: the AI world is ever evolving, and today's drama could be tomorrow's history. But why should you, our AI aficionados and digital dynamos, care? This upheaval could shape the AI tools and technologies you use daily. It's a reminder that in the world of AI, change is the only constant. Whether you're crafting AI-driven content or leveraging AI for your next entrepreneurial venture, these developments are a must-watch. So, there you have it. The latest chapter in the OpenAI saga. It's more than just corporate drama. It's a story about ambition, innovation, and the future of AI. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the AI world, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat about how this AI drama might impact your digital journey. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and creating magic.